Big ones.
That's white, right?
Do what I want them to do. They feel heavy duty, but you know, when you have a rooted vegetable and you see how much growth is on the top here, it's really thick. That means there's too much nitrogen, so I guarantee when I pull this up, there won't be much underneath it. And then my kohlrabi, of course, I lost my really fantastic kohlrabi. That's
You had 3 in here, right? Originally?
Yeah, I had a radish in there. It gave up the ghost, so I did get seeds from it. But this beet almost died and it's coming back, but it's got a fairly decent sized head on it. And I don't know how much it's going to weigh, but they usually take 2 years before you get seeds from it. So I'm excited to see how much it does weigh. Cut all the leaves off, they put it in a cool dry spot, and then you can repot it and put it in another plant and it'll shit.
So you save like a bulb.
Save the bulb, and then you keep growing it.
Oh wow.
These are my little ones.
My eggplant is not nearly this happy as, oh my. When you trimmed up in the beginning, did you trim up the bottom a lot?
Not really.
Harden it off?
Not really. I mean, this thing, like I said, these all I sprayed fungicide and insecticide, but now it's got blight. You see the leaf blight on them. They're just.
Yeah, mine got torn up by aphids.
Yeah. This had spider mites, or I should say flea mites. That's what really got into these things really bad. I was like, I misdiagnosed it, and because I did, and that's why.
Well, you just did. You snipped off the.
Yeah, take all the flowers off.
So it wouldn't put any energy that way?
Yeah, I don't want anything up to the top. That's pretty well. I mean, it's
so like that branch has got the flower on it, you take that off?
Yeah, actually.
Because you don't want anything that far out?
No. So
for agriculture.
I will take the whole stalk, that big fat stalk there. That one, I'm going to take the whole thing out of the ground, tape it to a 2x4, roots and all, and take it to the state fair for the tallest corn. I don't know, I'm sure there's taller corn out there, but that's what I got, so. I just have fun with
I'm going to start entering my stuff too, my corn, my pumpkins,
should, man,
and see what
absolutely.
happens.
We need people to do it because that's how we get more people involved in this.
Into the plant. Oh, nice. Look at that thing.
Oh.
It was sick when we first came here, and you said, I'm going to try to save it and see what I can do.
Yeah. What do you think of that?
How much would you say that weighs?
90, 100 pounds. That's tiny. Last year I had 235 and 166.